Hello, my name is William Sabandar. I was born in Makassar, Indonesia, and I'm past recipient of Manaki New Zealand Scholarship. I grew up in Makassar. I'm now in Jakarta for the last 15 years. I took an engineering course in Hasanuddin University of Makassar. And then I found Manaki Scholarship, which facilitated me to go to New Zealand. After completing my PhD, I returned with the hope I can bring my experience in New Zealand to Indonesia. When I started the project of MRT, Jakarta is the fourth most congested city in the world. So you can hardly move. I want not just to build infrastructure of mass rapid transit, I want to change the culture of Jakarta in transportation, moving from using the private vehicle to the public transport. It's far from finished, but we are now moving to the number 30th most congested city. In New Zealand, I learned it's not just about building infrastructures, but changing the way of life. Then I start a coffee project here. I know several farmers in New Zealand. They think about doing something with the community. And I said, come to my country, Indonesia. The farmer from New Zealand come to visit the coffee farmers in Toraja, and I set a foundation to provide support to the coffee farmer. And now my son Ari is running and managing our coffee shop in Bali. We're building the communication between the farmers in Indonesia and the farmers in New Zealand. Now I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Indonesian Business Council. It's built by business leadership to promote the welfare and competitiveness of the country. What New Zealand brings to me, it's a very warm, welcome environment, which is make you really feel at home. You are not outsiders. My wife and I have 3 kids, and I was able to bring them to New Zealand with me. It's an amazing experience that I feel how I was very much welcome when I first settled in New Zealand.
He taonga rongonui. Te aroha ki te tangata.
I have a strong feeling being part of the Manaki Scholarship because I live in New Zealand for 4.5 years and I learned a lot. You have good acknowledgement of Maori community. Treaty of Waitangi. This is the recipe for a successful country because a country can acknowledge the difference and can grow stronger. I feel New Zealand is my second country. Manaki New Zealand Scholarship is helping me and helping people to have more confidence on building Indonesia's cultures and community.
O Manaki ahurea, Manaki tangata, Manaki whenua, Manaki.